You have your rectangular piece of paper, fold it the way you see me folding it. Now you mark a point on this right side, the folded side, near the top but not at the top. Rule it to form a sort of diagonal line. Cut that off, open it up, and there you have your rhombus. Very good. Very, very good. That is how you make it. Now let's measure it. You see, that is 12 centimeter. That is 12 centimeter. That is 12 centimeter. Yes, and the last side is 12 centimeter. Good. You have a rhombus which has all sides equal. Let's measure the diagonals. That is 15.5 centimeter. That is 17.5 centimeter. Now the diagonals are not equal, but they do bisect each other. Very, very good. Now, also the angles at the intersect are all right angles. Now let's check the lines of symmetry. Yeah, that's two lines. That's two lines of symmetry right there. No, that does not work. That does not work. No, that doesn't work. So just two lines of symmetry. Let's check its rotational symmetry. Notice the way it is bended. It's bended to the right side. So when we turn it, no. Okay, let's turn it again. Yes, that's one. Turn again. No. Turn again. Yes, that's two orders. It has rotational symmetry of order 2.